Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into the Healthstack platform using your login credentials, your username and your password, and I will show you how to do registration or register a patient on Healthstack. So you need your URL, which is the short code for the Healthstack web app. And we're using test@test.com. Password is test. So now we've logged onto the Healthstack platform using our username and password, and this is the name of the user, test, and last name, test. This is the name of the facility that you're logging into. So if your hospital name is Fancy Hospital, Fancy Hospital, you will see Fancy Hospital here. To register a patient, you need to go to the client module. So the client module on Healthstack is what we use to manage everything: patient record, patient information, medical records, and all of that. So I'll choose a location to work from. Here is the client module. To manage patient record, we go to clients. This is the clients page where you will find a list of all clients, and you can create a new client or a new patient, register a new patient using the create client form. Now let's register this patient again. So the patient's name is John. Last name is Baptist. Now you see that we have some highlighted text boxes here: first name, last name, biodata, which is date of birth, and phone number. Now these are required information that you must supply when you are registering a patient. So all other information are not really required, but these four you will need to complete a registration. So if you have only the first name, last name, phone number, and date of birth of the patient, you can register the patient, and that will be called a quick registration. Otherwise, you can just do a full or a complete registration for the patient. So I've just applied the first name and last name of this patient. I will do that again. So let me enter John as the first name. Last name is Baptist, and date of birth is 1st of August 1980, and patient is male, is married. For medical record, this simply means that if you have some folder number you use in your hospital, say if you're trying to convert from paper-based folders to digital records, or you have a digital reference code that you normally use to identify a patient, you can enter that here. If you don't have it, it's fine. It's not a required field. So I'll leave it blank because this patient doesn't have any patient number at this time, or any medical records number. Religion is Christian. Profession, John is an engineer, not a pastor. John's phone number is, okay, got that right. Email is john@test.com. That's John's personal email. So the tag, we can use John's first name and last name, or we can use any other thing. Let's say we can use John Doe, whatever names John would prefer, so that whenever you try to search out John's information, you can use the tag to search out his records. For address, John lives at number 1 Low Street in Lekki, Etiosa, Lagos State of Nigeria. John's blood group is O+, his genotype is AA, There's no disabilities whatsoever. Allergies, John is allergic to peanuts. Comorbidities, let's say let's say diabetes. Specific info about the patient, so you can enter any relevant information, specific info about John if he provides. So these are things that you'll be asking John for. Next of kin, full name, let's say Elizabeth Baptist is John's wife. Elizabeth's phone number, Elizabeth's email, let's say Elizabeth uses John's email. Elizabeth is John's wife, that's the next of kin relationship is wife. So now that we've completely entered the necessary information for this patient, we log in. We save. We're about to register a new patient, John Baptist. Okay, and voila, we have just registered a new patient on Healthstack called John Baptist, and you'll see the list of clients updating here. Created successfully. So here we have John the Baptist details, here, and you can edit these details. You can add some more information, you can remove, or you can make corrections to important details for this patient. You can also delete. So this is how you register a patient on Healthstack. Thank you.